Our main aim is to offer a destination, a touristic destination. Our is the biggest touristic destination by boat in Italy. We cover a huge range of costs, and the cost is completely different from one side to the other, and so we invite everyone to explore all the cost itself. Of course, our final aim is to fill out all the berths that we have inside the marina, but we do also want to create a destination so that people is willing to travel between one marina to another and enjoy all the background, the inside land that every marina can offer, and the experience in the Friuli Venezia Giulia itself. Inside the 21 marina, we do have 16 marina with Blue Flag. We aim to go further, so different marina are trying to apply and receive this acknowledgement, and this is one of our goals as well. We're shifting to electricity for both and for everything. We are shifting to producing electricity through the solar panel. We are using all kind of product like bio product and so on that can be for food and for cleaning. We are trying to set a standard by reaching a mark in the industry and be recognized as someone who has low impact on the environment itself.